Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to generate report from export data in Microsoft Excel. Here is a date, invoice number, customer, description, country, quantity, rate, amount, term and due date are given. And I want to find out total export country wise, total export product wise and total export customer wise. How can we generate these reports? First select all your data and go to the insert. Here you will find the option pivot table. Just click here and I want a new worksheet and click OK. It will display the pivot table options. Now I want to find total export country wise. First just drag the country into the rows. It will display all the country, and drag the amount into the sum value. It will display the total export. Now in China total export are 1,01,000, in France 1,30,500, in Germany 99,000 and so on. Now the second report is total export product wise. Just copy these data and paste here. Now remove the country here and drag the description into the rows. It will display all the product. Total export of product A 1,66,500, product B 1,85,000 and product C 3 lakh and so on. Now I want to find the third report, total export customer wise. Just copy this data again and paste here. Now remove the description here and drag the customer into the rows. It will display all the customer. Now just press Ctrl X for cut and Ctrl V for paste here. Now you can see here we exported Fine Computer 99,000, 5-star Co 1,30,500 and Galaxy Private Limited 60,000 and so on. That's way you can generate different reports through pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.